Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So I have walked around quite some time and want to take a rest, and not really in the mood of these big meals. So I am enjoying my cup of yogurt. And this yogurt is from Mongolia, the cow from Mongolia made. And it's very delicious, smooth, and sweet, rich, and texture, flavor, everything is just perfect. So after this refuel of energy, after this yogurt, I just walk around in the supermarket. And in China there are, or in Beijing, particularly in Beijing, there are many, 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 many shopping malls. You are in the city, anywhere in the city, you can go to a walking distance, a shopping mall. I think China has developed, or maybe developed a little bit too much of these shopping malls, with big brand, with big stores. And in every shopping mall there is a supermarket. Some are more expensive, some are more local, some are more popular, some are more ordinary. People approach, but anyway, there is no place that is short of food. So here there is this crawfish and seafood stand, and cooked meat stand, and in Beijing, I think in anywhere in China, there are a lot of this kind of half finished food, and this is easy for people to take back home to cook, and they are actually finished food, and you can eat it directly. If you like to be more hygiene, to be more safe, you can warm it up. And this particular thing is 凉皮儿, 粉皮儿凉面. It's a cold dish with noodles, rice noodle, wheat noodle, or potato starch noodle, or sweet potato starch noodle. And they make, oh gosh, they have so many ways of making them. They make into noodle, flat piece, triangle piece, rectangular piece, and mix with all these vegetables. And they also have sushi. Here is the sushi stand. This is not a big restaurant. This is just the supermarket food stand. You can buy some simple food, and they also have some place that you buy the material and they cook for you, and drinks and yogurts, and then you will sit in the dining area. It's quite simple, a little bit like any of the other supermarket or shopping mall, the food street, the food court, that kind. So many vendors all around, and share the public space to have a meal. And this is supermarket. It's only one supermarket, so it's not too complicated. And there are all kinds of cakes. Oh my goodness, they look so very good. I think all the cakes all over the world you can find. Bread with stuffing sandwich, and a simple sandwich, ham sandwich, ham cheese sandwich, ham cheese egg sandwich, croissant, and this is a cold noodle. And you take one bowl back, and it's like the fast food. They put the dressing on the side, you shake, 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 and eat that. And all kinds of vegetables, a lot of vegetables, all kinds, surprised me. And here I think I am getting out of the supermarket, and this is a restaurant, and the building has 10 floors. It's literally, it is 10 floors of food. Huge building, 10 floors of food. It's crazy when you think about the amount of food, the capacity of people consuming all this, and kind of scary. There are so many things. It's just so many things. And they make tofu on the side. So these are some pickled vegetables. I grew up with those vegetables, but we grow up with only 1 or 2 kinds of vegetables. And I do not grow up with so many things. The fried shrimp in oil dressing, and this is oh my goodness, this is a 凉粉, 凉皮, a kind of a noodle, and this is what I grown up. I think I grown up with one of it, the big like reddish like, and this is garlic. Garlic you put into vinegar, it becomes a blue color, a green color. So there are salty garlic, there are sweet garlic, there are sour garlic that marinated in salt, or marinated in sweet and salt, or marinated in sweet and sour and sour, or sweet sour and spicy and salty, all kinds of combination. You can buy whichever amount. You can buy a bowl, and then they will prepare the dressing and put into a little, whether they cook it, they blend it, they mix it like mixing salad on your side, or put that dressing into another little container for you to take back home. This is oh my goodness, if you are hungry there, you cannot walk. Sometimes I come to this kind of supermarket, I was shaking, I was just shaking. I think it's that excitement, that temptation, that expectation make me unable to control myself. I was shaking with I so want, and I do not have that capacity to eat them all. That is the feeling I got from going to this kind of supermarket. And here they sell the fresh meat. And I have done a video of this. Last time I came here, that was around 3 months ago. I came to Beijing, and I did a video of supermarket, and some friends was very shocked by the noise, by people shouting, by people not screaming, shouting in very loud noise, a very loud voice in the supermarket. And it is true, it is kind of like a farmer's market. In farmer's market, people do need their voice to shout out, this is the best product, this is organic, this is homemade, this is made by my mom, my dad, the generation, and we are family farm, and this is the sweetest, this is the biggest. So we do that. And in Chinese supermarket, inside supermarket, we still keep that a tradition. So people do make big sound there. So just a little bit of explanation of the situation. But in any case, you go to a supermarket, you do feel the liveliness, the energy, the dynamic, and very positive energy of living well. I used to make did a video of a supermarket. Maybe I will take this time and tell this story again, especially when I am in front of so many food, so lively food and people. So there was one young man, and he was in a bottleneck in his career. He was working hard, no time to enjoy life, and his girlfriend left him, so he wanted to finish his life. He find no meaning of still existing in this world. So he finished his work, and he got fired by his company. Anyway, his life is just coming to, in his career, in his relationship, it's just the darkest time. So he wanted to finish his life. And on the way, going back home, he passed by a supermarket. Suddenly he had a thought. Anyway, tonight is my last night. Why not treat myself a little bit so that I can live and go to the other side and go to the other world with some treatment, with some treat to myself, with some appreciation for myself. So he went to the supermarket, and he actually went to the live food market, and there was the people shouting, and there was the chicken making sound, and he was just that liveliness, that buzzing energy suddenly got him waking up. Why do I want to finish my life? Let me get a chicken. And the farmer treated the chicken and got him home. He had this burning energy inside him. He went back home and cooked the chicken and enjoyed the delicious meal, and just rethink about it. Life is so fun. It's so fun. You bargain the price, you negotiate, and you feel your stomach, and so happy. So his life changed. from that visit to supermarket, to farmer's market, he regained his willing to live and live well. That's the story. I hope you enjoy it, and you enjoy wherever you visit, you enjoy wherever you live. Go to your local market, supermarket, enjoy it. There are things enjoyable when you see people, when you see things, when you touch with your hand and feel with your heart. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Goodbye bye.